Malaga, Spain, Wednesday, November 13, 2024.
¡Hago en la puta!
Mira. Mira cómo va, mira dónde le llega al autobús ya el agua y mira, ya se queda ahí este coche.
Brutal, el Corte Inglés. Mira, compañero, increíble cómo baja el agua. Toda la avenida.
In southern Spain, the province of Malaga is on red alert due to a very heavy rainstorm. Several streets are flooded, disrupting the activities of residents. On Wednesday, November 13, 2024. El Corte Inglés in Malaga is flooded, after the arrival of Dana. Fortunately from the morning, the El Corte Inglés Shopping Center decided to close its doors in Malaga and Marbella. EMT also suspended all its services in the capital Malaga. There are no more public buses, many roads are flooded, making driving very dangerous for drivers and passengers. And the laboratory of the clinical hospital in Malaga was also flooding. Previously, around 3,000 people had been evacuated from their homes on the banks of the Guadalhorce River. Schools were closed on Wednesday across the province of Malaga, and on the coast of Granada. In southern Catalonia, in Tarragona, some roads were blocked, schools remained closed, and train connections were cancelled.
Bueno, las vallas volando por la carretera, por Callilera.
Colapsada. Brutal.
Madre mía. Qué fuerte, que pronto nos hemos inundado y acaba de empezar.